Hello viewers, welcome to smartmoneygold.in. This is Parani. So in this video we are going to see what are the fines and penalties that you are likely to get if you miss your filing your income tax return by the due date. Filing taxes every year is mandatory and usually the dates are July 31st. So for this year, particularly in 2019, the last filing date which the income tax department has decided is August 31st. So first we need to understand what is the difference between a financial year and an assessment year. A financial year, say for example in this case, will be 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. So for the financial year of 2018-19, you are most likely to be assessed in the year 2019-20. So the assessment year is usually 1 year after your financial year. So for example, 2018-19 financial year will be assessed in assessment year 2019-20, and similarly financial year 2019-20 will be assessed in your assessment year 2021. So now that we have got the difference between financial year and assessment year out of the way, we'll see what happens if you actually miss filing your deadline by this date. So until financial year 2016-17, there was no penalty if you did not file your returns on time. So you can always file your returns at a later date, and filing this type of return is usually called a belated income tax filing. From assessment year 2017-18, there has been a fine which has been introduced for people who are filing their income tax after the due date. So typically it falls like if you are a person who is earning an income of less than say taxable income of 5 lakh for this financial year. Okay, so assuming for this year, August 2019, okay, August 31, 2019 is the last date for filing your financial returns. So in case you have not been able to file your income tax before 31st of August, then you are liable to pay fines to the income tax department. How it is calculated is as follows. Your taxable income is less than 5 lakh rupees, for this financial year. So in that case, the maximum penalty that will be levied on you is 1000 rupees. But in case your taxable income increases the 5 lakh rupee limit, in that case, if you file your income tax from 1st of September 2019 till the 31st of December 2019, you are liable to pay a fine of 5000 rupees. If you file your income tax from the 1st of January 2020 till 31st of March 2020, then the maximum penalty that can be levied is 10,000 rupees. Let me repeat. If your taxable income is more than 5 lakh rupees, and if you file your income tax from the 1st of September 2019 till 31st of December 2019, then the fine which you will pay is 5,000 rupees. If you file your income tax from the 1st of January 2020 till 31st of March 2020, then the maximum penalty which can be levied on you is 10,000 rupees. If your taxable income is less than 5 lakh, then 1000 rupees will be the maximum penalty which you will be paying to income tax. The next disadvantage of not filing your income tax return on time is that you need to pay a 1% simple interest from the last day of filing the income tax return, which is the due date 31st August, till the date you pay the tax. Many people ask usually, is there any jail term involved, or can you be sent to prison because you are not filing your income taxes on time? It depends on the assessing officer. In case your income tax liability is more than 3000 rupees, then there is a minimum of 3 months to a maximum of 2 years, which depends upon the assessing officer and the income tax code. But in case your income tax exceeds 25 lakhs, for example, then in that case, this maximum imprisonment can increase up to 7 years. We'll see what are the drawbacks if you don't file the returns on time. First one is that you will not be able to set off your losses. Say for example, you have loss from your shares or from any other business loss or loss from other income. So actually there is a provision in income tax where you can carry forward that loss for subsequent years. I think it's around 7 to 8 years. But if you do not file your income tax before the due date, then this carry forward of loss option is not available to you. The only loss which you can carry forward is loss from house income. The second one is, again, as I said, you need to pay interest for the amount which you are liable to pay. It's 1% simple interest, and sometimes it can accumulate and be pretty huge. Third one, delayed refunds. So in case you are filing your tax late, obviously they are going to give precedence to people who have filed their income tax on time, and if you have any income tax refund which you are trying to claim, it is going to be delayed and you will be among the least priority people to get that. Okay, we just hope this video was useful to you. You can also give your comments below. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing and share the video, which will be useful, especially during this time of tax filing month, which we take it. And please do consider following us on Twitter and Facebook. Please do share this video. If you want a more detailed explanation or where you can read it more slowly, check out our blog. We have given our blog link here.